Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: airplane mode on, battery above 10%, and a known Wi-Fi network available. Now, swipe to Control Center and tap airplane mode. Once active, tap Wi-Fi to re-enable it. This separates radio functions. You do this because airlines require radio shutdown but allow Wi-Fi. Enabling Wi-Fi while in airplane mode keeps cellular radios off. If you need headphones or a keyboard, enable Bluetooth next. Make sure to pair before takeoff when possible. Once Wi-Fi is on, open Settings Wi-Fi and pick the airline or hotspot SSID you trust. If a login page doesn't appear, open Safari and load any page to trigger the captive portal. Then follow the prompts to sign in, accept terms, or purchase a pass. You should avoid enabling a VPN until the portal fully authenticates, because some portals block encrypted connections. After signing in, verify internet by loading a small page. If it fails, reconnect or reboot Wi-Fi. To finish, use low-bandwidth apps and disable large background syncs to stay within airline limits. Once online, keep Wi-Fi on and leave cellular off. This prevents unexpected charges and keeps radios compliant. If the connection stalls, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on. Next, forget the network and rejoin to clear bad credentials. If that doesn't help, restart the iPhone. This clears caches. Finally, make sure the crew permits the service. If blocked, you may need to wait until the airline enables Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.